Hi, I'm Steve from the Stonecrafting Workshop. Welcome. A few weeks ago I did a review on these, the Schottis blinds from Ikea, and I really like them. I thought they look smart. They're really cheap and they're terrifically easy to fit. They work perfectly well for me. There was one part of that review where I criticised them, and that was with these handles. They supply them with the blinds for part lifting up the blind and holding, but I don't think they work. I was a bit contemptuous about them in my video, and in this video I'll show you why I think they don't work, and I'll show you my solution to that, holding these up at half mast or even holding them up fully folded. You're supposed to use these handles is to gather up your blind, which in itself is a little bit of a faff. Let's go to that, and then the plastic clips simply clip over the ends like that and hold it in place. Okay. And there's the problem. They come off. They come off really, really easily. Let's be really, and thereby hangs the problem. So, as I did in the first video, I throw them away. My solution is really simple and really cheap, and it works. And it's to use hair grips like this. They're plastic, they're very cheap, and you can buy them in all sorts of sizes. And I assume you can buy them in all sorts of colours. I can only get them in brown or black, and so I bought the brown ones. This hair grip is about 3.5 inches, something like that. And these are only about 1.25 inches long. They were very cheap. I think I bought 6 of these little ones for 75 pence. This one was cheaper still. I stole it off of the wife. Best value for money ever, that. Let me show you how they work. I use the large one. I only use one large one just as to facilitate the whole process. And that then grips in the middle. You can gather up the sides and put one of these little ones on and hold it. Put another small one in the middle and then gather up this side and put your third small one. So it takes 3 of these little clips, and then you can take the big one off. And that will hold that perfectly firmly pretty well all the time. You can also fold it right up to the top using these. Gathering these type of blinds up is always going to be a faff, I think, unless one of you has a really clever idea for doing it. I tend to do it in stages using the clips to hold it in stages. I think if you were to do this a lot, you need to get a different type of blind. A different style of blind. And there they are. Neat and tidy and hung out of the way. So although it's a little bit of a faff, it works. And it works really well. So an added bonus to using these clips, and I'll show you what it is. Drop down the blind to about there. Looks about right. If you use the big clip in the middle, get it as central as you can. You leave these in a nice, attractive, pretty pattern. Not something I would normally do, but I think that looks pretty nice, and some of you are going to like that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it's of some use to you. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. I like getting those. If you want to see more product reviews or stone engraving reviews or stone engraving ideas and what have you, please subscribe. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a nice day.